Namaste. Today we are not talking about lack of education or intelligence. Vedanta talks about a much deeper ignorance, Avidyā, which is the root cause of all human suffering. This ignorance is common to all humanity, including very intelligent and successful people. Ignorance is not absence of information. Ignorance is misunderstanding reality. It is called Avidyā, taking the unreal as real. In Vedanta, ignorance does not mean illiteracy. A person may have many degrees and still be ignorant in the Vedantic sense. Avidyā means wrong knowledge, misunderstanding who I am, what the world is, and what God is. Because of this wrong understanding, life becomes a struggle. Today, we are going to analyze this ignorance through Vedantic lens. Vedanta explains ignorance in 5 aspects. The first 3 are the fundamental human pitfalls, and the last 2 explain how ignorance functions. The first one, called Atma Ajnanam, ignorance of the self. This is the root ignorance in Vedanta, mistaking the body mind for I. Next one, called Ishvara Ajnanam, ignorance of God. This does not mean atheism, it means misunderstanding God as limited, distant or transactional. And the last one is Avidyā Ajnanam, ignorance of being ignorant. This is very important and very powerful, and this is the real trap. Dear friends, ignorance is not passive. It has got powers. Let me introduce 2 power of ignorance. The combination of this is dangerous and the effect is deadly. This is the functions of ignorance. First is called Āvaraṇa Śakti, covering power of ignorance, which means ignorance can hide the truth from you. And second one is called Vikṣepa Śakti, projecting power of ignorance. Ignorance can project unreal as real. We are all born into these 3 pitfalls. The first 3 forms of ignorance are not acquired later. They are birth given. No human being escapes them by default. Now let us deep dive into the subject. Ignorance number 1, not knowing my true nature. From birth, no one tells you, you are not the body, you are not the mind, you are awareness. Instead, we are taught, this is your body, this is your name, this is your role. So naturally, I grow up saying, I am this body, I live as a limited individual. Fear and insecurity become normal. This ignorance is universal, not personal failure. I think I am only the body, I think I am only the mind and emotions, and I forget my true self completely. The biggest ignorance is about our own identity. I say, I am tall, I am short, I am happy, I am sad. Vedanta says these are description of the body and mind, not of you. Your true nature is awareness. Vedanta calls Sat Chit Ananda. Forgetting this is the first and fundamental ignorance. When I think I am only the body and mind, fear becomes natural. Fear of death, fear of loss, fear of rejection, etc. etc. I keep searching for happiness in money, relationships and achievements, not knowing that the source of happiness is my own self. Now ignorance number 2, Ishvara Ajnanam, not knowing the God I am praying to. Even those who believe in God are mostly ignorant of God's true nature. They see God as a distant and external, and God limited to temples and forms, and God treated like a problem solver. Many people pray to God, but still ignorance exists. God is seen as someone sitting somewhere above the clouds. Vedanta says God is not away from you. God is the very intelligence because of which you exist and function. Worship without understanding becomes mechanical. Now the third and very important ignorance is not knowing that we are ignorant. This is the most dangerous ignorance, false confidence in wrong knowledge, and it will resist you to learning. A person who knows I don't know is open to learning, But when I don't even know that I am ignorant, I strongly defend my wrong ideas. Such ignorance blocks spiritual growth completely. Now, dear friends, let me give you a powerful example to this. Socrates was a legendary ancient Greek philosopher from Athens. He is considered the father of Western philosophy. He said, "With all my knowledge, I know one thing for sure, that I know nothing." This is not intellectual humility alone. This is existential honesty. In Vedantic language, we would say Socrates was free from Avidyā ajñānam. Why this is extremely rare? Most human beings live like this. I know who I am. I know what life is. I know what God is. These assumptions are never questioned. So the new ignorance is not I don't know, but it is I think I know. This is the real trap. Why most humans cannot say I don't know? Because saying I don't know feels like weakness, loss of identity, loss of control, etc. This is why people argue instead of inquire. Vedanta says wisdom does not begin with answers, it begins with the courage to say I don't know. Now let us see the two powers of ignorance. Please understand, ignorance is not passive, it got powers. Vedanta consider ignorance is one of the important topic. Ignorance is not just absence of knowledge, it is an active force. Vedanta explains that ignorance has two powers which control our perception and experience of life. The first one is covering power, Āvaraṇa Śakti. Āvaraṇa Śakti is the power that covers truth. Just as darkness hides objects in a room, ignorance hides our true nature. Because of this covering, I cannot recognize who truly am, even though the truth is right there. Second one is projecting power, Vikṣepa Śakti. Vikṣepa Śakti projects something that is not really there. Classic example, mistaking a rope for a snake in darkness. Because of projection, fear arises. Similarly, we project happiness, sorrow, success and failure onto the self. How both powers work together. Look at this picture. You see something in semi-darkness. It is not clear to you, but it seems like a snake. But with light, you can see that clearly. It's not a snake. It is a rope. Now let us analyze. The rope unseen is the Āvaraṇa Śakti of ignorance, the covering power. And the snake seen is the Vikṣepa Śakti. But when light comes, the snake disappears instantly, not by effort, but by knowledge. So, what is Vedanta tries to teach here? First, the truth is covered by Āvaraṇa Śakti. What is the truth here? The rope. Second, the Vikṣepa Śakti project a false version of reality. What is the false version of reality? The snake. Why it is so? Because of darkness. Similarly, what is the truth about you? You are awareness, limitless and beyond body and mind, but your ignorance hides it from you. Now look at the false projection of your ignorance. You are the body and mind. This is the Vikṣepa Śakti, the projecting power of your ignorance. Because of this double action, human beings live in confusion, fear and dissatisfaction. Now friends, what is Vedanta's solution? Knowledge, called Avidyā. Knowledge removes ignorance. Self-knowledge destroys fear. Ignorance cannot be removed by action, rituals or achievements. Only knowledge removes ignorance. Just as light removes darkness, Vedanta acts like a mirror, showing us who we truly are. All human problems ultimately trace back to ignorance. Vedanta is not about belief, it is about clarity. When ignorance goes, freedom shines naturally. Vedanta does not ask you to change the world. It asks you to understand yourself. When understanding comes, life settles on its own. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and support this channel. Here we explain the timeless wisdom of Vedanta in a simple, clear and practical manner. Please stay together for more videos. Namaste.